Yusek, still on vaccines, not on the science, efficacy, and safety, but just on the supply. With what you know, and going into 2022, what's going to be the supply situation? Lalo na, we're now looking at boosters, not necessarily first and second doses, and medyo rumarampa na rin yung production ng mga companies and countries that produce vaccines. But what do you anticipate in terms of the pipeline by 2022?
Well, I think for our orders this year, by this week we'll be able to get at least 100 million na deliveries, no? And they're expecting another maybe 40 million until the end of the year. So that's quite a good number, no? 140 million. Pero next year, I don't think it's good. The supply side is not going to be as easy as we thought it would be. Yung 2022, most of the big manufacturers, medyo nakakompromiso pa rin yan doon sa mayayaman ng mga bansa. Hindi pa rin nakaka-ramp up ng ganun kabilis. Akala kasi natin by 2022 talagang mas maraming factories na ang mabubuksan nila, no? But there have been new, no, because they apply to us every time na may bagong factory ang each and every vaccine, ipaparegister yan sa amin. So meron naman pa isa-dalawa na mga bagong factory bawat vaccine. Pero hindi yung 10 factories, no? Hindi yung 20, which we thought would happen. So I think in 2022, the supply is still going to be tight, particularly for the Western vaccines na talagang medyo committed pa rin sila na mag-supply dun sa mga Western countries.
Well, let's assume supply is not an issue and that we could import as much as we can. What are the remaining issues for rolling out vaccines for the rest of the country?
Well, I think the supply chain naman natin is working quite well. It's still the logistics of the ultra low temperature vaccines. Yun pa rin talaga ang major limitation natin for the mRNA vaccines. For example, wala pa rin naman tayong -70 degrees in every city or municipality. So, nalilimit pa rin yung possible na vaccine na dalhin sa kanila na hindi masisira at magagamit. And of course, ang isang magiging complication, I mean, I won't call it a complication, maybe development in 2022 is magkakaroon na probably ng fully registered or fully approved product. And when that happens, syempre kung meron ka ng fully proven na na-complete na, mahirap nang gumamit ng under emergency use authorization na ibang bakuna, di ba? Kasi meron ka nang alam na isa na sigurado na na-complete na yung trial niya. Ayaw na nating gumamit masyado ng mga EUA and we phase out the EUAs. So yung problem nun, kung isa lang ang fully approved or isa or dalawa lang. What we hope is of course that next year lahat sila sunod-sunod na mako-complete yung trials nila and they get full approval so that we also get a wide range of other choices.
Sir, linawin ko lang yung dilemma doon. So you're saying if there's a drug that emerges from the complete process and it completely gets 100% approval, it sort of diminishes the moral standing to stand on EUAs for all the other vaccines. Therefore, that might create the irony of a fully approved drug actually tightening supply?
Yes, but not just morally, legally, in every country. You only allow EUAs when there is no fully approved product.
Wow.
So once merong mga fully approved product, hindi ka natatanggap ng applications for EUA and then yung mga existing EUA, na lang yan, 1 year na lang yan to consume, to phase out. Kailangan magmadali na rin silang magpa-register.
It completely hinges on the approval. It doesn't hinge on one's ability to actually supply everything that we need.
Well, of course, pag nakita naman natin, halimbawa, isa lang talaga yung nag-apply, tapos hindi naman siya makakasupply ng mga lahat, then we can continue the emergency use authorizations. Kaya lang, di ba, parang hindi naman na, alam mo nang meron ng isang fully developed So, it makes a difference, no, in the way you will handle. Paano ka magpapagbabakuna ngayon? Di ba, yung ibabakuna mo, yung fully approved, available sa private, sa mga magbabayad, tapos yung libre, EUA yung ginagamit mo na hindi pa fully developed product. So, it does make complications.